Make money online. Advertising is one of the most common ways to make money from a blog. When you sign up for an advertising program, you will be given a code that you can add to your blog posts. When someone clicks on one of the ads, you will earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money from a blog. When you join an affiliate program, you will be given a link to a product or service. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Selling your own products or services is another way to make money from a blog. If you have a product or service that you think people would be interested in, you can sell it through your blog. You can also create a membership site where people can pay to access exclusive content. No matter which way you choose to make money from your blog, it is important to create high-quality content that people will want to read. If you can do that, you will be well on your way to success.